How to clear video watch history on Facebook. So if you want to clear video watch history on Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, you just need to simply go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down, go with settings and privacy, and tap on settings. Under settings, you need to scroll down. You'll find activity log section. Tap on activity log, and from here on the top right you will have the search section, and from search you need to search for watch history, or you'll get videos that you watched. So tap on it, and here you will have all of the videos that you watched. So in my case, I've not watched anything because I have a new account I've created just now. So if you have watched any videos, then you will have all of your history right here. You can just simply go with the 3 dots, which will be on the right side, and you'll be able to delete your watch history. Or you can select all of the videos and tap on trash, which will be in the top, and in this way you'll be able to clear your video watch history on your Facebook. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.